Hello everybody, this is Paul Campbell from LaserScrollSVG and MakeCNC workshops. Today I want to introduce you to a pretty amazing set of developments that we've created for the new LaserScroll website. Previously MakeCNC, I have moved over to MakeCNC workshops to do software development, and some new folks have taken over the pattern side of things. We licensed the patterns to them, but that has given me more time to actually work on software and develop applications and things for those guys. So this is a really cool development and I want to show them to you. So right now we've got the original MakeCNC. When MakeCNC was handed over to LaserScroll, we put up a set of patterns of everything that MakeCNC had ever done, about 1,500 odd patterns, all 3D puzzle patterns, and they were put into a pack and sold. But at that time, MakeCNC never had any type of offline browsing system or file management system. You just came to the website and purchased individual patterns, and that was sort of it. But now I've developed some really cool software that actually creates a browsable catalog system with a whole bunch of features, which I'll show you shortly. I also created an app called Scale Wizard, which is a much more comprehensive scaling application than our old scale calculator was, and another one called Kerf Wizard, which is dedicated to managing kerf. It's a really cool little app. And then of course LaserScroll has also been busy creating new patterns for themselves, and so we also created a catalog and a starter pack of 40 odd brand new to world patterns by LaserScroll. But getting back over here to the MakeCNC Pattern Wizard pack, the full site pack, I'm just going to scroll through here and find that for you. Okay, so this is Pattern Wizard, and just quickly, it's pretty easy to use. Look at the top, it's called Pattern Browser. Now, if you click on this, you've got a guide here that will show you how to use it, which is very easy. There's just nothing to it. And what's really cool actually about this is that once it's installed on your computer system, you could go away for 5 years and forget about CNC and come back and you'll be able to find everything in an instant. Another thing is it keeps a library of all your patterns stored on your root directory of your C drive, and when you click one of these images for a pattern, it downloads it to your downloads folder. So it makes a copy of it and downloads it to your downloads folder, so you can use that pattern without fear of damaging your master pattern that is always stored in the catalog system. We also included in this a copy of Scale Wizard for managing scaling of patterns, and I'll show you Scale Wizard in a bit more depth shortly. Another really cool thing, of course, if we just scroll down here, you can see there are hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, actually 1,555 individual 3D puzzle patterns. And a really cool thing about this too is that all of the patterns have been updated and upgraded. All of them are now what was called the MakeCNC new format, which means they come with the SVG files, they come with DXF files, they come with CDR files and PDF for scroll saw. And while we were doing that, what we did for LaserScroll was we used Vectrix software Vector Doctor. We went through and checked every single file to make sure that everything was closed vectors, clean geometry, and clean, little tiny loops that you couldn't see in the past. Years ago, we've been developing patterns for coming up to 20 years, Julie and I, and you couldn't see tiny little loops and things like that years ago. So we went through everything and cleaned all the vectors. So there was a lot of work. Hundreds of hours went into that. And of course, hundreds of hours went into just developing the software for you. But this is something that people have been wanting for a long time, and I wish we could have done it years ago, but I just didn't have the knowledge or the time to be able to do it. And I like I say, since handing over to LaserScroll, LaserScrollSVG to handle pattern business, it's freed me up, so I'm going to be developing all sorts of apps. So this little box here will allow you to change the size of those thumbnails so you can get a much better look at what it is that you're wanting to cut out. And as you go down, you can see there, you can get some really clear look at the images before you click on them. And all you got to, like I say, all you got to do is click one click and it'll download to your downloads folder. Another really cool feature I'm going to show you just here, take that back to small, is the search. So let's just say we type in vehicles. And then all of a sudden you only got to type in the first three words of it, letters of it, sorry, and it pulls up all the vehicles. So you now have a searchable, and which is really cool, searchable. But you always got to make sure that you check, because there's certain, it searches by the pattern's name, and some patterns may not say truck or car or something like that. So always double check. But you know, like for instance, World War II Messerschmitt bomber may not come up if you type in aeroplane. But let's just see what does come up if we type in plane. So yeah, so the majority of the aircraft patterns do come up, but there's always a chance that something won't. Although it looks like we've got most of them there, which is pretty cool. So the search feature is really, really good. And it'll tell you how many, on the side here, it tells you how many patterns that you've got currently selected. So that's really, really cool as well. So that's it for the Pattern Wizard. This here comes with an install. So like down when you buy this and you download it, there are 4 zips and an install PDF, and so you buy it, you can instantly download it from the website. You don't have to be waiting to be sent links or anything like that. Then once you've got it, you unzip the files and it gives you an executable, a setup file, and you just click setup and it will install the Pattern Wizard and all the files directly to your C drive and the root directory there, and you're done. And so forever and ever, problem solved, folks. You can now browse, search, find everything you want in a heartbeat using the new Pattern Wizard application from LaserScrollSVG and MakeCNC workshops. So just moving on, we created, I'll go to the Laser Scroll here. So here's Pattern Wizard for Laser Scroll, and what we've done with Pattern Wizard for Laser Scroll is it's the same deal. You've got the same features that you have in the MakeCNC Pattern Wizard, but in this case you can actually update. In other words, you can add more products as you buy them from LaserScrollSVG. You can add them to this catalog and build out your catalog going into the future. You can also add legacy MakeCNC patterns that LaserScrollSVG sells to the same catalog as well, and instead of having these little yellow pictures, you'll have the similar thing but in the orange and black for MakeCNC, so you can quickly identify them as legacy patterns versus brand new patterns. These are all brand new patterns, and we call this the Laser Scroll Starter Pack. And this is being sold at a really good introductory price. I mean, there's over $300 worth of patterns here, including a whole new set of anatomically correct dinosaurs. So if you have the MakeCNC anatomically correct dinosaurs, you now can add a whole new series of anatomically correct dinosaurs. There's a tractor here, there's various patterns that were just chosen, some tune patterns, flowers, bananas, some utility boxes. This is a starter pack, as we say, and these are all new to world releases from LaserScrollSVG, with lots more coming in the future. I've been looking at some of their designs, and they're doing some really cool projects right now, getting them ready. So this is and this also comes with Scale Wizard. Just click the button and Scale Wizard opens up. So, okay, so let's just quickly jump over to Scale Wizard. So this is the Scale Wizard app. Now, you can buy this app separately as well if you want, but here's a quick look at it. And I will be making a video some point in the near future on the operations and how to use this. Of course, it comes with help built in anyway, which is it's a user manual, and it's a pretty easy program to use. So we're just jumping back to it. You can go to light or dark theme, which is really sort of cool. I added that. And then you have your various core calculator operations. It has some very basic kerf operations, and you can print a job card. There's all sorts of really amazing features built into this. But you also have the Pro version. You switch to Pro, and that gives you much more extensive options. But it's all in the, like I say, some basic kerf information there. Slot fit helpers and all sorts of things. You can set up presets, and really quite a cool piece of software. It has some tips in there, and also it also has what else have we got there? It also has the ability, I think, print job card, the material presets, or is that the kerf? I'm going to click kerf reference. No, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, it comes with a good guide, and it's inexpensive, and it's important. It works with just about any CAD software, so Lightburn, doesn't matter what you use, the calculations are the calculations, and we will be making some videos on how to use it with specific software, but once you read the user guide, you'll be able to fly through that. So that's the Scale Wizard, and that comes built in to the Pattern Wizard applications, or you could buy that separately. Then last of all, we really got into it with, if I can find it here, Kerf Wizard, which is another app that we created that you could, and these run in a browser, by the way. All these apps, the Pattern Wizard runs in a browser, the Scale Wizard runs in a browser, and Kerf Wizard runs in a browser. You can run them in your browser on your computer, which means you can run them on a phone, you can run them on a PC, and you can, in about a week's time, you're going to be able to run them on a Mac. You can right now, I just haven't made the install, because again, these comes with Windows installs, and Windows install, unless you've got Windows on your Mac, you wouldn't be able to run them. But I've just got to get the user guide done and zip up the files, and there will be a Mac version available. If you're desperate for it and you wanted to get Mac versions of any of this stuff, just email me, Paul at MakeCNC, and I'll get you one out. But pretty soon we'll be adding the Mac versions to the website. But currently, for now, it gives you the installer for the Windows version, and when you install, simple as setup, and it puts a little icon on your desktop, and away you go. So I'm just going to minimize this here now, and I'm going to drag over these little icons. And these are the little icons that'll appear on your desktop when you install the software. That's Kerf Wizard, Scale Wizard, Pattern Wizard, and the LaserScroll catalog. So I guess that's about it for now, and I hope that you find this useful, and I hope that you find our new software useful, which I know you will, and definitely worth an upgrade. Oh, if you're an existing user or an existing MakeCNC customer, we can make you a custom catalog out of the old patterns that you've bought, or if you are if you're an ex-lifetime member of MakeCNC back when it was owned by MakeCNC, we can do you a special upgrade price to get all of the new updated patterns and the Pattern Wizard. Also, if you purchased the full site pack in the past, we can also offer you a really good upgrade deal to get that stuff. But even at its new price, it's just unbelievably good value, and a really great new adventure for LaserScroll and MakeCNC workshops. Thanks for listening.